Fiat 500 oil change maintenance light reset. I'm Brian Essa from How To Automotive. I'm going to walk you step by step through the process of resetting that light. The first thing we're going to do is make sure your foot is off the brake. We're going to turn the ignition switch until all the lights on the dash light up. So as soon as the lights on the dash light up, you're going to slowly press and release the accelerator pedal 3 times in a row. So you'll go 1, 2, 3. And after you do that 3 times, it'll automatically reset the light for you. To check and make sure the light went out, you can push the menu button here on the right side of the odometer. I'm Brian Essick from How To Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching my videos. Encourage you to subscribe. Invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching.